I kiss her ears. Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna open my gift again.
What again?
And that was the one! Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Ryma!
Thank you. Careful. Careful because of the baby stapler. There. Careful because of the stapler. Happy birthday to you. There. So this is chicken nuggets and fries and I don't know. So we got another shrimp. And another one, and a french fries! Yeah, there's also french fries. Megan, you and baby share, okay? Okay. Oh, milk! Let's open the milk.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, yeah. This is made of dough.
Oh, that's white chocolate. Here. Yay.
Thank you, Tita Glenda and Tito Clifford. I like it so much. That's so many restaurants. It's our first time to go to the mall.
Why?
Yeah, because it's coronavirus. Because
No, why we're going now?
we're going. Because it's Mommy's birthday tomorrow.
Today.
Today.
In Philippines.
Today means now. Oh boy. Oh boy. They're gonna put.
Thank you, Megan.
Is that kingdom? So we're inside the mall now. Over there.
Wow. Nice one.
Bumblebee! Ano bumblebee?
Let's go na. Let's go.
Oh,
Transform!
don't hold that.
Wow!
at saka yung cheese. Pwede din yung cheese.
Birthday, Josie! Happy birthday, Josie!
Ang taba mo, Jess!
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Josie!
Through Christ our Lord. And thank you for all the guys coming here right now for the birthday celebration of Ryma and Lindy. Thank you so much.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Mamaya na lang.
Sa'yo ang kainan.
Sagay na, sagay na. Sabi niya ako.
Nahihiya!
Abo ka ba?
Hindi pa sanay. Atras ka muna! Wala ka na. Picture lang ako. Hindi! Ay, picture mo na dali. May Rima! Rima, come here. Come here, baby. Red. Oh, you go there, Red.
Laga na, nag-makeup na eh.
Huwag mo nga pa.
Picture.
Picture. Pag nag-ready, pantay na yung gato.
Friend, Red! Red!
Red, here.
Kasi papatay, di ba? Pero
Red.
Smile, smile.
Next family naman.
Mamaya na mga kain.
Kaya! Ata!
Hindi ka kaya na lang.
Ayaw.
So today I'm gonna open my gift from my birthday. It's from Paolo and baby Cassie. I love it. And next is this one. How about my gift? So next, this is from Elise and Joey. It's from Ate Ryma. I wish you have the happiest birthday. Love you. Thank you, Joey and Elise. I like it so much. Thank you. I love you. Hello, everyone. This is my gift from my last birthday. It's from Joey and Elise. It says there, have a happy, happy birthday. Love, Joey and Elise. Love you too. Hello, everyone. So I'm gonna open my gift now. Okay. Wow, Mama, got glitcher. Shield. Oh! So many heroes. Huh? Oh! See? So many. Oh. America! Okay. Next.
Like it?
Wow! The coaches. So I'm gonna fold it. Sorry. What's wrong? Oh. Pew pew. What's the bottom? America. Next, I'm gonna fold it. Hurry up. Hurry up, mister. I know. No, yeah.
Whoa, so nice.
How did baby learn how to?
Because he's always the one folding the underwear.
Underwear?
Right, baby?
Yes. Was he always the one who folded the blanket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When he wakes up, right?
Yes. When he wakes up, he folds the
You're
blanket.
so very good.
Thank you, Joaquin and Julian. I love it so much and it tastes good. I would like to also thank Olivia, Joey, and Elise for the ice creams, Tita Irene for the fresh lumpia, and Tito Michael and Tita Larry for the shrimps. Thank you all for coming. Bye. Thank you everyone for coming to my party. Thanks for watching, everyone. Watch out for our next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you, Nina Ninongas. I love it so much.